Good morning all of you. Today I am going to start increasing, decreasing functions. Important 3 marks questions. In that first numerical, find the intervals in which the function f given by f of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 6 is strictly increasing, strictly decreasing. Solution: given f of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 6. If a function is strictly increasing or strictly decreasing depending upon f dash x, for what values of x, f dash x greater than 0 in real number system, then in that x values the function is strictly increasing. For what values of x, f dash x less than 0 in real number system, to that the given function is strictly decreasing. To that f dash x, so f of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 6. Now differentiate with respect to x on both this side. Then derivative of f of x is f dash x is equal to derivative of x square is 2x minus 4x derivative is 4 plus 6 is constant derivative is 0. So f dash x is equal to 2x minus 4. So common out to 2. So this is 2 into x minus 2. 2 into x minus 2. So f dash x is equal to 0 if I am taking 2 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. Means x minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to 2. So the real number scale is, this is minus infinite to plus infinite. So f dash x is equal to 0, we are getting x is equal to 2. So this is x is equal to 2. Now the real number system splits two intervals. So one interval is minus infinite to 2 and the another interval is 2 to infinite. 2 to infinite. So take here one table. One table means intervals. Sin of f dash x. Next, nature of f. So intervals, here one interval is minus infinite to 2 and another interval is 2 to infinite. So minus infinite to 2, there are infinitely many numbers are there. So whatever the values, if you are substituting here, suppose minus infinite to 2, 0 is there. So if I am writing in f dash x, then 2 into 0 minus 2. So 2 into 0 minus 2, I am getting here minus 4. So minus means this is less than 0. So f dash x less than 0 means function is decreasing. To infinite also there are infinitely many real numbers are there. So one of the number if I am substituting here, suppose 3. So 3 minus 2, 1. 1 into 2 plus 2. So this sign is plus. Plus means greater than 0. So if f dash is greater than 0, then the nature of the function is increasing. Hence for x belongs to minus infinite to 2, f is strictly decreasing. For x belongs to infinite, then f is strictly increasing. Next numerical. Find the intervals in which the function f given by f of x is equal to 4x cube minus 6x square minus 72x plus 30 is strictly increasing and strictly decreasing. Here given function is four x cube minus 6x square minus 72x plus 30. For what values of x the function is strictly increasing or strictly decreasing? So we want to find f dash x. So given f of x is equal to 4x cube minus 6x square minus 72x plus 30. So differentiate with respect to x on both this side. So derivative of f of x will represent by f dash x. 4x cube derivative is 3x square. 4 into 3x square means 12x square. Minus 6 into x square derivative is 2x. 6 into 2x is 12x. Minus 72 into x derivative is 1. 72 into 1 is 72. Plus derivative of constant 0. So now common out 12 from these two terms. These terms. So this is x square minus x minus 6. So 12 into x square, 12x square, 12 into minus x minus 12x, 12 into minus 6. 12 6 are 72. So now write the factors x square minus x minus 6. So 12 x square quotient is 1, constant is minus 6. 1 into minus 6 is minus 6. So to get sum or difference of two numbers, thing is minus 1. So to that x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 3 plus 2. Product of minus 3 into plus 2 is the same as the x square quotient 1 and constant minus 6. 1 into minus 6 is minus 6. Here minus 3 into 2 is also minus 6. So minus 6. 12 into common out x from first two terms. So this is x minus 3. Common out plus 2 from these two terms. So it is x minus 3. So here x minus 3, here x minus 3 is there. 12 into common out x minus 3. So remaining is x plus 2. Now if I am taking f dash x is equal to 0, then 12 into x minus 3 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. 12 number 0. Means either x minus 3 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. If x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2. And x minus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to 3. So real number scale is minus infinite to plus infinite. So x plus 2 is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 2. And x minus 3 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 3. Now the real number scale divide into 3 intervals. So one interval is minus infinite minus 2 and another interval is minus 2 to 3 and one more interval is 3 to infinite. So in these intervals we want to find the sign of f dash x. If f dash x greater than 0, then in that interval interval, function is strictly increasing. If f dash x is less than 0, in that interval, f is strictly decreasing. So now find table. Interval. Sign of f dash x. Nature of f. So here first interval is minus infinite to minus 2. Next interval is minus 2 to 3. And one more interval is 3 to infinite. Minus infinite to 2, minus infinite to minus 2. There are infinitely many real numbers are there. One of the number take. So suppose minus 3. Minus 3 if I am substituting here, so 12 is, this is plus into, so minus 3 minus 6 means minus 3 plus 2. So this is also minus. So minus into minus plus, plus into plus means greater than 0. So sign of f dash x is greater than 0 means function is increasing. Now take the interval minus 2 to 3. In minus 2 to 3 also there are infinitely many real numbers are there. In that one of the number is 0. So 0 if I am writing is 12 plus 12, it is plus. If I am writing in the place of x is equal to 0, 0 minus 3, then that is minus 0 plus 2. So that is plus. So plus into minus, minus into plus, minus. So minus means less than 0. So sign of f dash x is less than 0. The less than 0 means nature of the function is decreasing. Next, take 3 to infinite. So 3 to infinite also there are infinitely many real numbers are there. In that one of the value just 4. 4 if I am writing this is already plus. 4 minus 3 plus 4 plus 2 6. This is also plus. So this is plus into plus into plus. So plus into plus plus into plus means greater than 0. So f dash x is greater than 0 means function is increasing. Hence, the given function f for x belongs to minus 2 to 3 is strictly decreasing, and x belongs to minus infinite to minus 2 union open interval 3 to infinite is strictly increasing. Conclude like this. Next numerical, find the intervals in which the function given by f of x is equal to sin 3x. X belongs to closed interval 0 pi by 2. is increasing and decreasing. Solution. Given f of x is equal sin 3x. Now differentiate with respect to x on both these sides. Derivative of f of x, we'll write it as f dash x. Sin 3x derivative, sin x derivative is cos x. So sin 3x derivative, cos 3x. In the place of x, x not there. Other than x there. Then 3x derivative is 3. So f dash x is equal to 3 cos 3x. Now f dash x is equal to 0. Now f dash x is equal to 0. So f dash x is 3 cos 3x is equal to 0. 3 number 0. Then cos 3x is equal to 0. So cos x is equal to 0. X is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. So for every n belongs to 0. So x is equal. So 3 should this side. Then 2n plus 1 into pi by 6. For every n belongs to 0. So writing n is equal to n belongs to, that means n is equal to 0. So therefore x is equal, by writing n is equal to 0, 0 plus 1, 1 into pi by 6. So pi by 6. N is equal to 1 if I am writing 2 plus 1, 3. 3 into pi by 6 means pi by 2. So pi by 2 is 0. If I am writing n is equal to 2, 3, 4 and so on, that values are exceeds in this interval. We don't want to take that values. Because of in this interval only, we have to find the function is increasing or decreasing. So this interval 0 pi by 2. So this is 0 and this is pi by 2. In between this there is one more point is there. That point is pi by 6. So for x belongs to 0 to pi by 6, open bracket. F dash x is equal. F dash x is equal. So 0 to pi by 6. So 0 to 30. If I am writing here, so 0 to cos 90. So 0 to 90 means first quadrant indicate. So in first quadrant cos is positive. So means f dash x greater than 0. For x belongs to 0 to pi by 6, f dash x greater than 0. Again I am repeating. So x is equal to 0, x is equal to 30 if I am substituting. Cos 0 to cos 90. So 0 to 90 means the first quadrant. In first quadrant trigonometric ratios all are positive. Especially here cos function is there. Then this value is f dash x is greater than 0. For x belongs to pi by 6 to pi by 2. So pi by 6 means 30. 3 into 30, 90. And x is equal to 90 if I am writing 270. 90 to 270 case, 90 to 270 case. So 0 to 90 is the first quadrant, 90 to 180 is the second quadrant, 180 to 270 is the third quadrant. 90 to 270 means second quadrant and third quadrant. In second quadrant and third quadrant, this cos is negative. So f dash x is less than 0. So therefore, f is increasing. F is increasing for x belongs to closed interval 0 to open interval pi by 6, and f is decreasing for x belongs to open interval pi by 6 to closed interval pi by 2. Next numerical, find the intervals in which the function given by f of x is equal to sin x plus cos x. 0 belongs to 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 2 pi. Is strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. Solution. Given f of x is equal to sin x plus cos x. Now differentiate with respect to x on both these sides. Derivative of f of x is, we'll write it as f dash x. Sin x derivative cos x plus cos x derivative minus sin x. So plus into minus, minus sin x. Now f dash x is equal to 0. So that is cos x minus sin x is equal to 0. So cos x is equal to sin x. So sin x I am writing cos of pi by 2 minus x. So cos x is equal to cos pi. X is equal to 2n pi plus or minus y. Y means pi by 2 minus x. So x is equal to 2n pi plus, if I am taking, so pi by 2 minus x. X is equal to 2n pi. If I am taking here minus of means this is minus pi by 2 minus of minus x plus x will be. So this minus x comes this side. So x plus x, 2x is equal to 2n pi plus pi by 2 for every n belongs to z. So x is equal to n pi plus pi by 4 for every n belongs to z. So here x gets cancelled. We don't find here x values. So writing n is equal to 0, x is equal to pi by 4, and writing n is equal to 1, pi plus pi by 4. Pi plus pi by 4 is 5 pi by 4. So 5 pi by 4 also belonging to this interval. N is equal to 2 if I am taking 2 pi plus pi by 4. So n is equal to 2 or more, that values are not exceeds, not belonging to this interval. So we don't want to take the other values of n. So here x is equal to pi by 4, x is equal to 5 pi by 4. So this interval 0 to 2 pi. So 0 to 2 pi splits. Pi by 4 is 1 point and 5 pi by 4 is another point. This interval breaks 3 points. So take table interval sin of f dash x, nature of the function. So first interval is closed interval. Here 0 less than or equal. Closed interval 0 to open interval pi by 4. Next interval is open interval pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4. And one more interval is open interval 5 pi by 4 to 2 pi. Closed interval. Now 0 to pi by 4. One of the value if I am writing. So 0 to pi by 4 is 45 degrees. In 0 to 45 degrees, knowing value is 30. If I am substituting x is equal to 30 degrees here, So cos 30 is root 3 by minus sin 30 is 1 by 2. So root 3 is 1.732 by 1.732 by 2 means this is 0.866 minus 1 by 2 means 0.5. So 0.866 minus 0.5 means, so this value is greater than 0. So greater than 0 means nature of the function is strictly increasing. Now take another example. Pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4. Pi by 4 means 45 to 5 pi by 4 means 225 degrees. So pi by 4 to 45 to 225, one of the value is 90 degrees. Suppose if I am writing x is equal to 90 degrees, what is the sign of f dash x? Cos 90, 0, minus sin 90, 1, 0 minus 1. So minus 1. Minus 1 means less than 0. So f dash x is less than 0 means, so function is strictly decreasing. Now take the interval 5 pi by 4 to 2 pi. So 225 to 360. In between this 270 is there. So 270 case, if I am writing cos of 270 minus sin of 270 degrees. So cos of 270 means cos of 180 plus 90. Cos of 180 plus 90. Sin of 180 plus 90. So 180 comes cos 90. 180 plus theta, third quadrant. So cos is negative. Minus, so sin of 180 plus 90. Sin comes 90. So 180 plus 90. So third quadrant. In third quadrant sin is negative. So minus cos 90 means 0. Minus of minus plus sin 90 is 1. So 0 plus 1. So plus means plus 1 means, therefore in this interval f dash x greater than 0. So f dash x greater than 0 means nature of the function is strictly increasing. Hence the given function f is strictly increasing for x belongs to 0 to pi by 4 union 5 pi by 4 to 2 pi and decreasing for x belongs to open interval pi by 4 to 5 pi by